Here at Kaiju, we build cool shit. Right now we are working on a STI. We're gonna install some STI side skirts. Now I'm just going up in size. So I'm going up in size to get the little lock rubber collars. There we go.
Huh?
I just want to put the hood on. I was just gonna flip it the other way.
Oh yeah, but I saw that Han wasn't gonna take him serious as soon as I saw the stance.
Hey bro, I might not even have to mean it.
Your shit's gonna explode.
No, it's not.
First track day. First track day,
No,
you're gonna
it's
blow
not.
it up.
It's not gonna
And
blow
if you
up.
don't blow it up, you crash it against the wall.
That's fucked up. Dude. I'm gonna run a sub 2 and stick it in your mouth later.
We gotta
tonight.
go karting so I can show you that you're slow.
Oh, Diego, who do you think is gonna win when we go karting with Nico?
Bro, he's been karting. What? I don't care. Look at that belly. That adds like 100 pounds to the go-kart.
Okay, perfect intro to what we just did. What'd you just work on, Matt? What'd we do?
STI. We did STI side skirts and a sidewall hood with a very large opening. Install easy. I would say the install was easy.
I don't think when I ask stupid stuff. That's why I asked them.
What's up, dumbass?
What's up, dumbass?
Doing a front mount on this car.
What front mount is it, you know?
Cobb. Which Cobb? I have no fucking clue, but one of the Cobbs.
How difficult is this install, bro?
Not necessarily difficult, but time consuming, very. Capping off the snorkel tube. There's a little hole right here, and then I put this bitch in there.
Bro, he has the train horn in his truck. It scares you.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, you know why we didn't get scared?
You know what?
Because
The
Mama ain't
coolest
raised
thing
no
I think
bitch.
about, like, other than it's the little things that matter, is like this cap, you know? As simple as it is, just like the little detail stuff that they did to this kit, the windshield wiper reservoir. That's a fill hole. Like these little cool bits are what?
Look at where this piping mounts to. And pay attention.
Everything is tight. It's done right.
Yeah, some of the piping is irregular.
Yeah, a little bit, but I mean, you got a mounting point there. You got a mounting point there. You got the blow-off valve attached there. You know, everything's labeled. I'm just doing this shit right.
Like 7 hours.
7 hours for a front mount?
Nah, not that long. It was like 6 with him taking his time.
Yeah.
But he also did the hella horns.
That's what took me the longest to figure out. I blame it on the hella horns.
You blame one of the hell horns. The install time?
Yeah.
It was more than one thing then.
Yeah. 2 things.
Alex, who? Alright, let's bring in cars on this way.
2 transmissions.
Oh, here, talk about this. So what we got over here? What we got?
ZF5 transmission.
ZF5.
Another ZF5 transmission.
You have 2 ZF5 transmissions.
Technically, yeah.
Why do you have 2?
It's an S13 hatchback, 1992. Right now it has no engine, no trans. It's at the body shop. We're gonna case swap it, do a K24, learn how to drift, make it a clean build.
Oh my lord. That one. Oh. God, that thing needs help.
We always
tell you
go
when I
around.
do it too. I'll give you the gloves right now.
I got money on
We got gloves right
here.
here. $100 to go buy them right now.
200.
I'll give you 200.
300 so I can cover the whole field.
Nick has gloves. Yo, which Nick do you think?
Time to pull up. To be honest, Miata Nick, because I don't see Nick having gloves.
To make it fair, you don't have to wear gloves. I'll wear them.
You should put your Regas in there, see if the same thing happens.
No, I'm not putting my regular masters in there.
Wait, what does that do, Brian?
That's a parts washer. Yeah, all it does is clean it up, but because of the heat. I think it ate away at whatever paint was in there or on the wheel. Because it probably got spray painted.
Was the point to clean it or to get rid of all the gunk out of it?
The point was just an experiment.
Oh, okay.
These are the wheels that came with the car anyway, so I didn't give a fuck about it.
Yeah.
Somebody can powder coat this wheel and use it as a table. But it's not a cool wheel.
Can we throw it?
Yeah, we can throw it.
What happened to the blue tees?
I sold them.
Oh, okay.
I got the Regas. I got bronze tees on order.
For what?
My Civic.
Oh my, I'm
T37 Sonics.
for the Civic?
Yeah.
It's like what, like a track spare?
Well, I had yeah, they'll be track spares technically
Oh
to the
my.
Regas. But I ordered them before I bought the Regas. They just were on back order.
So he sold his blue
So
ones.
let's get Regas just for the clout real quick, just because I can't get my other clout wheels. Fuck it, right?
Okay, so that's a day here at the Kaiju shop. We'll see you guys tomorrow.